So, you'd like to travel the world and save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in the process. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is definitely possible, and getting the right credit cards in your wallet can definitely make that a reality a heck of a lot faster. And while you definitely don't need dozens of credit cards to make this happen, usually having a few of the right cards can make a huge difference. So we're going to go over my top 8 travel credit card picks that'll help you save a bunch of money and also add a little bit of style to the way you travel as well. Let's begin. Up first is the card with the biggest annual fee and the greatest amount of benefits, the American Express Platinum Card. The current public welcome offer right now is to earn 80,000 membership rewards points after spending $6,000 on purchases in the first 6 months. And yes, higher offers even up to 150,000 points are floating around right now, so you may see some of those targeted offers either on Amex's website, via mail, email, or any other channel that they may use. So keep your eyes peeled in case you see a bigger offer and you want to go for this card. For the ongoing rewards, you'll earn 5 points per dollar on flights and on prepaid hotels, with a few restrictions there mentioned in white. Also 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is definitely large at $695, but as you see to the right of that, there are a ton of benefits here that can more than help you justify it, provided they fit into your lifestyle. You'll receive everything from airport lounge access through a ton of different lounge programs, elite status with several hotels and rental car companies, transfer partners, and a bunch of credits, plus insurance and protections and no foreign transaction fees. So for all you travelers out there who want the elevated experience with the lounges and the elite status, the upgrades, the complimentary breakfast and stuff like that, all the nice touches, this card can make a lot of sense. Card number 2 on our list, and much better for everyday use, is the American Express Gold Card. The public welcome offer right now is to earn 60,000 membership rewards points worth at least $600 toward flights, and you can earn those after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 6 months. Once more, you may also see some higher targeted offers floating around right now, even up to 90,000 points, so again, be on the lookout for those. For the ongoing rewards, this card will issue 4 points per dollar on groceries at US supermarkets on up to $25,000 of spend per year, 4 points per dollar on dining at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery in the US, and triple on flights when you book them directly or via Amex Travel. Finally, 1 point per dollar on all other purchases, and the annual fee this card carries is $250. Helping you justify that annual fee, however, are the main benefits. The first of which is a $120 dining credit, followed by another $120 of Uber Cash. You'll also get access to a bunch of great transfer partners, hotel privileges, protections for travel and retail, and no foreign transaction fees. And yes, the gold and the platinum earn the exact same type of points, and they're all pooled together into one account balance inside of your online American Express account. And although they do complement each other very nicely for that reason, especially for their non-overlapping categories, the annual fees that you pay up front every year are very, very high, $695 and $250 respectively. So make sure that you can use all the benefits to help you justify them before you go out and apply and then realize, these perks don't fit into my lifestyle. So be careful, but also recognize where the value is. Up next, we have a very premium travel card issued by Chase Bank called the Sapphire Reserve. The welcome offer at the moment is to earn 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points worth at least $900 toward travel. You can earn that after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. There are also a bunch of really fantastic rewards categories, including 10 points per dollar on hotels, car rentals, and Chase dining, all of which when you do that through the Chase portal. Same with flights. 5 points per dollar there, also through the Chase portal. But outside of Chase's portal, you can still earn triple on all other travel worldwide, plus triple on other dining, including eligible delivery services, takeout, and dining out. The card will also earn 1 point per dollar on every other type of purchase, and the annual fee here is $550 per year. Fortunately, there are also some great perks here to help you earn back that fee over time, the first of which is a $300 annual travel credit, working pretty much for any type of travel you want, even outside of Chase's portal. It also comes with airport lounge access, transfer partners, a $100 statement credit for global entry, TSA PreCheck or NetSys. It gives you 50% more value for your points toward travel when compared to cash back. It has a really cool feature called Pay Yourself Back for select categories. Also some partner benefits with Lyft, DoorDash, GoPuff, and Instacart. And finally, some protections for both travel and retail. And it avoids foreign transaction fees for your purchases outside the US. But I do recognize that not everybody wants a big annual fee card with a bunch of benefits to manage. So for those of you who want something simpler, much more affordable, but still earning really valuable travel little points to help you save a bunch of money, check out this card's little brother called the Chase Sapphire Preferred with a much lower annual fee. This card also has a 60,000 point welcome offer at the moment, although it's worth a little bit less when you redeem through the travel compared to the Sapphire Reserve, which was 900. These points here are worth about 750 at a minimum toward travel. So still extremely strong value, and the spending requirement is also identical of 4K in the first 3 months. You can also earn 5 points per dollar on travel via the Chase portal, triple on dining, also triple on online grocery, triple on select streaming, then double on all other travel that is outside of Chase's portal, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee here is much more manageable at just $95 a year, and it's also really easy to justify that with these benefits of a $50 annual hotel credit, a 10% anniversary bonus, access to the same transfer partners as the Sapphire Reserve, your points being worth 25% more compared to cash back, the pay yourself back feature, some partner benefits, travel and retail protections, and also no foreign transaction fees. All right, I'm going to jump in here really quickly and mention for all of you out there who are getting multiple cards across different issuers with different rewards, currencies, different benefits, and more, if you want to have a really simple way to keep them all in one place and manage your cards really efficiently, check out today's sponsor called MAXREWARDS to help you out in a massive way. MAXREWARDS is an app that allows you to manage your credit cards, rewards, and benefits all in one place. This includes seeing when your bills are due, tracking your sign-up bonuses, monitoring your credit scores, and more. On the Activity tab, you can view the transactions across all your cards to easily see where you've been spending your money, including the value of the rewards you've earned across different categories. Then the Best Card tab helps you identify which card to use for different purchases. That way you can earn points or cash back even faster. And perhaps my favorite feature is the Benefits and Offers dashboard, which you can unlock with the gold level of MAXREWARDS. You might be familiar with Chase offers, Amex offers, Bank of America deals, and others. Each time you sync the app, all of your offers will be activated automatically, including the hidden ones from Amex that you didn't even know about. In fact, my Amex Gold card showed 162 offers that were ready to go thanks to MAXREWARDS. So if you'd like to try MAXREWARDS, use the link down below in the description to get the gold level entirely free for your first month. And now back to those awesome travel cards. Let's move on to our fifth card on the list, the Citi Premier card. Signing up for the first time, you can earn 60,000 Citi thank you points worth at least $600 toward travel after spending 4K in the first 3 months. And where this card really shines are the ongoing rewards categories. You'll earn triple points on flights, hotels, travel agencies, restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations. Then 1x on everything else. It does carry a $95 annual fee, but it comes with a $100 annual hotel savings, access to really strong transfer partners, and no foreign transaction fees. Definitely light on those benefits, but super powered on those rewards, and that's the main reason to get this card for those of you who just want to accumulate points after points after points and make those free flights and free hotels and free rental cars happen even faster. It's also one of the very few travel cards that rewards you nicely on gas stations, so because of that, and also the great everyday categories and the lack of tons of benefits that you have to manage, also a pretty low annual fee respectively, plus great transfer partners, I would say it's great for those of you who want to have one card for everything, or even part of a mix of cards where you want to keep your fees low and your maintenance and stress levels low too. Card number 6 is the top tier offering from Capital One, their Venture X card. Getting approved for this card for the first time will make you eligible for 75,000 miles worth at least $750 toward travel after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. There are also some really compelling rewards categories provided that you book through the Capital One portal for both hotels and rental cars, each of which will award you 10 miles per dollar. There's also a partnership right now with Turo, also earning 10 miles per dollar, valid through about mid-May of 2023, and then 5 miles per dollar on flights through the Capital One travel portal, and double on all other purchases. Keeping this card will require you paying a $395 annual fee, but it does come with a $300 travel credit when you pay through the Capital One portal, a 10,000 mile anniversary bonus, airport lounge access, a credit for global entry or TSA pre-check, elite status with Hertz, the Premier collection for special perks and VIP treatment at select hotels, transfer partners, travel and retail protections, and no foreign transaction fees. For me personally, I've been getting great value out of this card from the Turo partnership, so we'll see what happens after that May 16th expiration date, plus the Capital One lounge access. Whenever I'm going to or through DFW, usually 3, 4, 5 times per year, I find myself using the Capital One lounge way more often than the Amex Centurion lounge. So that's a pretty interesting thing about my own travel habits and behavior that have changed over time, because Capital One's first lounge to open at DFW has been really, really good. In fact, if you'd like to see a video tour of the lounge and kind of an overall review of it, I did a separate video on that, so be sure to watch it if you're curious to learn more. Let's move on to card number 7, the US Bank Altitude Reserve. While the initial welcome offer of only 50,000 points looks pretty small in comparison to some of the other cards, it still has great value of at least $750. You can earn that bonus after spending $4,500 in the first 90 days from opening your account, and then keep earning rewards long term at 5 points per dollar on hotels and car rentals when they are prepaid and booked through the Altitude Rewards Center or the US Bank Travel Portal. Also triple points on travel and mobile wallet transactions, and then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is definitely on the high side at $400 a year, but it does come with a $325 credit that can be used toward travel or dining. You can also get reimbursed up to $100 for your application for global entry or TSA PreCheck. You'll get a 50% point value boost for travel as compared to cash back. Airport lounge access, although very limited, only priority pass here and 4 free visits per year, as well as insurance and protections for both travel and retail, and also a lack of foreign transaction fees, which is great. So if you go to a department store, a gas station, a restaurant, pretty much anywhere you go where you can tap to pay via a mobile wallet, so Apple Pay, Android Pay, etc., you'll be earning triple points here, which is huge value. It's almost like getting triple on everything. That's equal to 3% cash back or 4.5% toward travel on whatever category you want. And our 8th and final card on the list is the BILT World Elite MasterCard. Although it does not have a welcome offer at the moment, it does have some pretty cool superpowers of its own. First of all, for the ongoing rewards, you'll earn triple on dining and also double on travel, plus 1x on rent and other purchases. Its first huge superpower is that it's a great travel credit card with a $0 annual fee. And also following that, we've got some main benefits that are really making this card worthwhile to keep long term, including the ability to pay rent without fees, the rent day promotions, which doubles your rewards in select categories. For example, you'll be earning 6 points per dollar on dining and 4x on travel. Also, 1 point is worth 1.25 cents toward travel through the BILT portal. Also, you get some really compelling transfer partners to redeem and push your rewards out to other programs, some great travel insurance coverages, as well as retail protections, including cell phone protection and partner benefits with Lyft and DoorDash. I actually forgot to go grab this card for this video, but if you want to see what it looks like and see a little bit more about it, I did a separate application video to watch me apply for it, as well as an in-depth unboxing to see the pretty cool packaging that comes with it. I will admit that I'm a bit skeptical if this card will maintain a $0 annual fee long term. We'll have to wait and see. But right now, while it is a $0 fee, to be able to give you great protections, a minimum redemption value of 1.25 cents per point, plus transfer partners, and right now the only card that allows you to pay your rent without the 2 to 3 to 4% transaction fee is really, really compelling. So here's an all-in-one visual of all 8 cards that we covered in today's video. Feel free to pause it a bit longer if you want to kind of soak this in. And you may notice that I did not include any hotel cards or airline cards in this video. There are some great ones out there. I'm also a big fan of both, but for most people, if you're earning airline miles, they're only good for redeeming on one airline and its partners, or for hotel cards, the hotel points are only good really for just that hotel and not the hotel partners. So the use cases are much more limited, where with the cards mentioned earlier in this video, you can redeem for pretty much any airline, any hotel, any rental car, and for some points, cruises and other experiences too. So for the overall broader value proposition, it's better to earn points that have way more uses rather than putting you into a much more limited box. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards rewards and benefits all in one place, and to view my site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next one, always remember that you are great.